Alright, hey guys, what's up? It's Alex from Mutated Percussion. So today we're actually going to be working on another Orff instrument. We're going to be changing a head on a Tubano, which, for many of you guys, remember those really long, like, Remo drums? They get, like, the solid heads on there, like 3 different sizes of them. So yeah, we're going to be changing a head on one of those today. Let's get into it. All right, before we actually get to the repair, I just want to talk a little bit about them. So there are a few different kinds. You've got some pre-tuned ones, which is what we're actually going to be working with today. And then you've actually got some tunable ones. Now, what's actually kind of funny is that the tunable ones and the pre-tuned ones take the same heads. They're the same heads. The only difference is that you can tune one. Of course, though, if you play it in the bathroom, it becomes a Tubano. All right. Well, anyways, let's get to the repair. All right. So what I'm doing here first is that I am taking the head off. I'm using a hammer to just kind of hit the edge, just so I can pop it off because it's really hard to get them off. Sometimes, anyways. Sometimes they just slide off, but not in this case. And when I vacuum it out, there's a lot of spider webs and cobwebs that get up in there that you really don't notice because it's kind of hard to see. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm just take the head out of the box and see how well it fits. If it is kind of hard to put on and like sticks really well, then usually you're done right there. In this case, however, it popped right off really easily. So what I'm going to do here is I'm using the Type Bond 3 wood glue and I'm putting it around the bearing edge. And then I'm going to use this little brush I got to then spread it all around where the head will sit, and then after about a day it'll dry and will be good to go. But this way the head stays on there because people don't normally grab these things correctly, because even though they have handles on them, people tend to grab them by the heads to pick them up. This way they're more stable and they don't fall off. That's it. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me today. I hope you guys got something out of it. As you can see, it's a pretty easy process to do. You gotta be careful with the hammer when you're taking the head off, because it tends to scratch the shell a bit. But be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. Really does help the channel, and since as of right now recording this, we are a fledgling channel, so all the help is appreciated. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time.